Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. What is India's position globally in terms of land area? Correct answer is option C, 7th position. Who was the first Indian to enter space? Correct answer is option A, Rakesh Sharma. The Dada Saheb Phalke Award is associated with which sector in India? Right answer is option C, film. The Raja Rani temple is located in which city? Right answer is option A, Bhubaneswar. Which IIT launched India's first Hyperloop test track? Right answer is option B, IIT Madras. Which river does not originate within Indian territory? Correct answer is option D, Brahmaputra River. Who was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize in Physics? Correct answer is option C, C.V. Raman. The Nobel Prize is awarded in how many distinct categories? Right answer is option B, 6. In which state is the Murudeshwar temple located? Right answer is option B, Karnataka. What is the name of India's first electric air taxi? Correct answer is option A, Shunya. Which soil type covers the maximum land area in India? Correct answer is option B, alluvial soil. Who was the first Indian Governor General of independent India? Correct answer is option B, C. Rajagopalachari. Which award is India's highest civilian honor recognizing contributions across art, science, public service, and sports? Right answer is option B, Bharat Ratna. The Dilwara temples are located in. Right answer is option B, Rajasthan. Who unveiled Grok 3, an advanced artificial intelligence chatbot? Right answer is option B, Elon Musk. Which Indian state had the highest population density as per census 2011? Correct answer is option C, Bihar. Who was the first male to win a gold medal for India at the Olympic Games? Right answer is option B, Abhinav Bindra. The Grammy Awards are given to recognize outstanding achievements in which field? Right answer is option C, music. Kedarnath temple is located in which state? Right answer is option A, Uttarakhand. Human metapneumovirus is classified under which type of virus? Right answer is option B, RNA virus. What is the time difference between Indian Standard Time and Greenwich Mean Time? Right answer is option C, 5 hours and 30 minutes. Who was the first Indian to be appointed a judge at the International Court of Justice? Right answer is option C, Dr. Nagendra Singh. The Vyas Samman is conferred primarily for contributions in which area? Correct answer is option B, Hindi literature. In which state is the Khajuraho temple situated? Correct answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. What is Guillain-Barré syndrome classified as? Right answer is option C, neurological disorder. Which city in India is popularly known as the Silicon Valley of India? Correct answer is option D, Bengaluru. Who became India's first Nobel laureate? Right answer is option A, Rabindranath Tagore. The Arjuna Award is presented to individuals for excellence in which field? Correct answer is option C, sports. Where is the Tawang Monastery located? Right answer is option B, Arunachal Pradesh. Which country's scientists created the world's first kangaroo embryo via IVF? Right answer is option A, Australia. Which line marks the boundary between India and China? Correct answer is option C, McMahon line. Who was the first Indian male doctor? Right answer is option B, Pandit Madhusudan Gupta. The Kalinga Prize, instituted by UNESCO, is awarded for excellence in which domain? Right answer is option A, science communications. The Gangotri temple, the origin of the river Ganga, is in which state? Correct answer is option B, Uttarakhand. What is the name of India's first anti pesticide protective suit for farmers? Right answer is option B, Kisan Kavach. Where does the river Kaveri originate? Right answer is option B, Brahmagiri Hills. Who was the first president of India? Right answer is option A, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The Sahitya Academy Award is one of the most prominent honors in which domain? Correct answer is option B, literary. In which state is the Sabrimala Sridharma Sastha temple located? Correct answer is option A, Kerala. Mumps is caused by which type of infection? Right answer is option A, viral infection. What kind of hot and dry local wind blows over North India during summer? Correct answer is option B, Loo. Who was the first Indian to cross the English Channel by swimming? Right answer is option B, Mihir Sen. The Man Booker Prize is internationally renowned for excellence in which domain? Right answer is option B, literature. The Dilwara temples were built by the followers of which religion? Correct answer is option C, Jainism. Which nation has developed the world's most powerful hydrogen powered train engine? Right answer is option C, India. Which boundary line determines time zones globally? Right answer is option D, longitude lines. Who was the first Indian male to receive the Gnanpith Award? Correct answer is option B, G. Sankara Kurup. The Bihari Award, instituted by the K.K. Birla Foundation, is given in which field? Right answer is option B, literature. The famous Kailasanath temple at Kanchi was built by? Correct answer is option B, Narasimhavarman II. What is the name of India's first Ayurvedic diagnostic device based on pulse analysis? Right answer is option B, Nadi Tarangini. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.